everybody, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. So I just realized as I started this plan with me that somehow I managed to put my phone on time lapse. So that's really fun that I looked up at my phone. I'm like, why does it look like that? Oh my gosh, I'm somehow in the wrong setting. Anyway, so I'll throw in that quick little time lapse and then I'll pick up where I started. Okay, so now you can see how I got to this point. I've put my headers up at the very top to bring the colors of the kit up to the top. I decided this week to use the $2 Tuesday sheets for the s'mores kit from Sweet Kawaii Design. I think it's a really, really cute kit. I think the colors are really awesome. And I really like to use these $2 Tuesday sheets. I order a bunch of them. But what's nice about it is I order a bunch. I order what I want and what I need. I don't usually order the half boxes. But I order, I think, trying to think about it. I think one or two of each of the others. So I usually get a couple of the full box sheets because I love those. And I feel like the full boxes are so versatile. You know, you can use them in your planners, you can use them on cards, you can use them to make bookmarks or little notes to stick in kids' lunch boxes. I mean, not like that one or something, but stuff like that. Then I order one of these. I get the headers and the checklists and some fun deco. I like the quarter boxes because I put those up here for my laundry. And then I usually order one or two of the date covers. Now, I also, in my album here, have the washi because I also use these $2 Tuesday sheets in my Hobo Cousin for the daily spreads. I like to use some of it in there. And I love the washi strips along the bottom of those cousin spreads. It covers that area perfectly, and I think it's fantastic. And then it's great to use for leftovers too, whether it's leftovers from these $2 Tuesday sheets or usually I'll buy one of the vertical kits, just the regular Plan With Me kits for my weekly planner and for my kids' planners as well. So then whatever leftovers we have, I put in my reusable sticker book, and then I can pull from the $2 Tuesday sheets and the leftovers, and I end up using up a lot of the stuff, which is awesome. I never toss any leftover stickers because I feel like there's always a use for them somewhere, somehow. All right, so I've now put on my date covers. I've brought the colors up with the headers, and then I put these little quarter boxes, and that's where I put the different laundry. So like this is this week's that I'm currently working on for my to-do planner. And it's okay. Sometimes I'll put certain things that I need to do on certain days because they're day specific, but often like take the trash out is day specific, but often it's just kind of like get it done in the next few days. So what I'm looking for are these little circles with my dot markers that I haven't checked off yet. And then I know that I still need to do it. All right. Let's see, I've got my bottom washi. I didn't want to use the big chunky washi down here, the sticker washi. So I pulled this Simply Gilded. I thought it'd be really nice. It kind of has the reds and the oranges. It's kind of fiery to me. So I thought that would be fun to use down here. I just realized I don't have one of my fancy, awesome washi cards. Let me go grab one. Okay, I'm back. I grabbed my little bee washi card from Sweet Kawaii Design. It's awesome. These metal cards make cutting washi a breeze. Absolutely fantastic. Nice and clean down there. And I'll put the washi over here as well. All right. There we go. Okay, now I've got these full boxes that I can pick from. Let's see. I like to color block, so I think that this will work out really well. This is, the Welsh it is one of, I think it's absolutely hilarious. I love it so much. And then I'll probably put these two side by side. It kind of works for the color blocking because of the orange and then the yellow down here. I love the We're Better Together, and that reminds me of the West Coast Planners Conference, the Better Together conference I'm going to in October. Hot Mess Express. I mean, they're all so good. These full boxes are amazing. Okay, I've got my full boxes on. Now, normally I would alternate up, down, but I had to have Poe and Frank with their little bonfire together. I couldn't separate them. So, a little bit different. I'm realizing I need one more quarter box up here to put our bedding laundry task up here. Okay. Now, I also like to use these checklists. Some people will write one thing next to each heart, which would give you 5 different things. I don't. I like to put about 3 things with each of these hearts, and then the space above, I can fit about 2 more things. So that's generally how I fit it in on this planner. I'll do like 1, 2, 3 things here, and then I'll do 2 more up above it in here with some fun little itty bitty deco stickers. I'll certainly use some of these as well. All right, I put those on there, and as I got to the end, normally I don't put full boxes, but I know that next week is going to be a little bit lighter on stuff I need to do. So I think what I'll do is put another full box up here. Yeah, I think that looks really cute, and it kind of keeps the pattern going. And then I will put, let's see, one more checklist down here. All right. Okay, it dawned on me when I was talking about this little deco that I also got an itty bitty sheet of this deco. It's a perfect size for a planner like this. The big ones are fun too, but since I know that I like to use it as little items that I don't want to forget, this is the perfect size. So I think I'm actually going to leave these here, and I'll use them as deco when I use the rest of these in my cousin or in my school planner later. So we've got the little campfire, ridiculously, oh, this is not focused, ridiculously cute with the little sparkles. I love it. So cute. And I love how on this sheet there's a row of, you know, campfire chocolate marshmallow stuff, and then a row of the critters. And Bo's little face, he's like, oh no, it's the same in this full box. I love it. All right, so I love my little s'mores themed planner here. I think it'll work really, really well for the week. Yeah. Gosh, sorry you guys. I am tired today. I did not sleep well last night. Anybody else have it? Well, I'm sure a lot of you have pets. 5 o'clock in the morning, heard the dog walking around, super unusual. And then he threw up, and then I couldn't go back to sleep. So, oh my gosh, I feel like I am just kind of existing. I don't do well on not enough sleep. All right, my to-do planner is ready for next week, which is fantastic. As you can see, as I kind of flip back here, this is a planner I use a ton. I have it out. I have it sitting on my microwave where I can see it on the top, and I use it all the time. It kind of keeps me on track for all those little things that I think, oh, I got to write that down so I don't forget. This is where I put it. All right, friends, happy planning. I hope you have a fantastic day.